What's up guys, it's BT here and welcome to the first Dope Tech Under 50 video on the channel. Now every month I'll be doing one of these videos detailing some of the more budget friendly accessories because I know sometimes the prices can get a little bit crazy on the things that I've been reviewing. So I wanted to make it up to you guys and your wallets by making a top 5 under 50 video every month. And the tech in these videos are going to be things that I actually use or things that I actually deem worthy of your guys' hard-earned cash. Now there will be links to everything in the video posted down below. So first up we have my current desktop speakers that I use every single day, the Creative Lab Pebbles. Coming in at $25, these really impressed me. Before this, I was using $400 speakers, but I felt like I wanted a little bit more space and something more minimal, and these round minimal speakers fit the bill. I think they look amazing, and for $25, they'll have your desk rattling from the amount of bass that they put out. So they plug directly into your computer's sound card, and the USB port powers them. So I like that it's USB powered because it allows you to free up another space on the wall. You don't have one more thing to plug in, which is nice. Like I said, the sound quality on these is insanely good for the price. I watch movies, I listen to music on these, and they have been nothing short of amazing for $25. It's actually ridiculous. All right, so this next one's kind of a fun one, but very functional. It comes in at $12 and it's a keyboard slash desk volume. For those of you who eat at your desk, this mushroom desk cleaner will be a godsend. It operates off 2 AA batteries that load into the top. Then you just run this over your keyboard or your desk and it will suck up all the debris that falls in between your keyboard, like hair, food, animal hair. All those good things will be picked up by this cleaner. For me, I use it every single week. I try to do it at least twice a week, and to keep my keyboards clean. They've got some bristles on the bottom that helps with like brushing and getting some of that dust off of your keyboard. The third item on the list is the Runmus 7.1 surround sound gaming headset, coming in at $22 to $27. The way I found out about these is my friend one day was talking over Discord and I was blown away by his mic quality. I knew immediately he upgraded his mic. I thought he spent well over $100 for some boom mic or some desk mic, I don't even know. And turns out he had this cheap $22 to $27 headset. Now you guys know that I'm a big skeptic of headsets, so these actually have to be really good for me to actually recommend them. They come in various colors like red and blue and have an amazing braided cord. The ear cup and headband have a lot of padding as well. The material is faux leather on the ear cups, and the top is not the highest quality, but what can you expect for $22? They've got these huge 50mm drivers inside that sound better than a lot of gaming headsets, well over the $100 mark. I'm not BSing you guys. You really have to try these to understand what I'm talking about. So anything, whether you're a gamer or you listen to music, it has a lot of bass that will like have your headphone rattling, which is nice. And again, the thing that really stood out to me about this headset was the noise canceling microphone that makes you sound like you are in a sound booth. Let's drop a sound test for you guys right now. What's up guys, it's BT here, and for $22, I think this mic doesn't sound too shabby, especially for the price. And if you're on a budget, you don't want to spend $100 on a headset, you just want something that works, this is a great option. It also has a controller on it, which I forgot to mention, which has a volume control on there as well as switching the mic off. These also come with a 1-year warranty, so if anything happens to them, you are covered. And I know that can be a common problem with these cheaper headsets is that they break. So it's nice that they give you that 1-year warranty. So I feel confident recommending it to you guys. Next up for $50, we have an Ajazz A33 Keyboard, a great budget, no frills keyboard that gets the job done. It's got a very compact shape, allowing you to hit the function row faster. They've also moved the function key up by the F12, which I've never seen before, so that will take some time to get used to. It's lightweight and it has a USB mini port. Not USB-C, but for $50, what can you do? It's plug and play, and it's also got 18 RGB modes using the FN plus F8 to switch. So this keyboard is like a TKL without all the space in between like the function row and like the arrow keys and all that. It's got double shot injected molded keycaps, which feel great for the price. Don't expect PBT at this price point, but if you're on a budget, look no further than the Ajazz A33. It comes with these like optical blue switches that offer a similar experience to the Cherry MX Blues. Let's drop a sound test for you guys right about now. I mean, either you love blues or you hate them. I'm in the middle. I can't do my this time, so sorry guys. Sorry to disappoint. Maybe in the next video. Also, you can't put keycaps on it because it has a non-standard control and arrow keys that are a little bit bigger than the normal ones. Now you can put some like rubberized tie-how keycaps on it if you want, but overall this keyboard is just one-stop shop. You have to kind of take it for what it is. For 50 bucks, I think it's a great pickup if you like blue switches. Next up, we have the Zowie Camade mouse bungee. Now this is something I always use whether I have a paracord or not. It just keeps your desk neat and allows for constant cord length at all times. Now I've been using this one for about 3+ years, and unless I go completely wireless in the near future, I'll probably be using it for another 3 years. Now at the top of the spring, it's got a place for the cord to hold the cord, and then at the bottom it has one as well, and this allows for constant tension, so if you do take it too far, the whole bungee is not going to move with it. It's going to give you some leeway there. Alright guys, well I hope you guys have enjoyed this first installment of the Dope Tech Under 50. If you guys do end up picking up some of these items, or if you already have them, let me know what your experience is down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been your boy BT. Oh crap. Alright, it's been your boy BT saying pay. I did that way too early. It's been your boy BT saying peace.